madalas na giniginaw, it's probably because, if you're asking this in the context of low carb, it's probably because kulang yung inyong energy intake. Karamihan ng mga naglo-low carb bago sa low carb na hindi nakakaintindi ng pundasyon will start to go into really low calorie intake. So, calorie deficit po, It's a caution that we always talk about kasi sa paglo-low carb nga, hindi ka na masyado magugutom. So, you will end up not eating so much. Dati-dati kumakain ka 6 times a day. Almusal, pananghalian, hapunan, then in between, meron kang 2 snacks, morning and afternoon break, then meron kang midnight snack sometimes. So, then that puts you at 6 times a day, right? So, imagine ngayon, low carber ka, you're not so hungry. You're not hungry as much. So, ano nangyayari? Then you start to eat less, way, way less. Sometimes, dahil dyan, wala ka na ring masyadong hunger. Pag low carber ka kasi, hindi ka madalas magutom or madaling magutom. So, then you don't eat so much. So, you get into calorie deficit. Ano mangyayari dyan? Giginawin. Kaya nga po, we emphasize, first look at your protein intake, meet that protein intake, then your fat intake, siguraduhin nutrient dense yung kinakain. Otherwise, you get into trouble with masyadong nangangayayat at mga ganitong sintomas. So, gawin po natin ng tama. Balikan natin, protein, fat requirement.